Hello, Orleans, Ottawa. I'm Matt from Quality Heating. I'd like to share why Quality Heating is your best choice for duct cleaning services. Originally known as Fresh Air Duct Cleaning, we've been serving the Ottawa area for nearly a decade. With our expansion into the gas fitting sector, we've rebranded as Quality Heating. Despite the name change, we remain dedicated to providing top notch duct cleaning services. Why stick with Quality Heating for duct cleaning? 1. Decade of expertise. For nearly 10 years, we've been a trusted name in duct cleaning throughout Ottawa, known for our reliability and expert service. 2. Advanced cleaning technology. We have recently enhanced our toolkit with state-of-the-art truck-mounted equipment. This powerful technology is especially effective in cleaning difficult-to-reach areas like crawl spaces, ensuring a thorough clean regardless of your home's layout. 3. Transparent upfront pricing. Our pricing strategy is straightforward and honest. We provide a flat rate for our services, eliminating the surprise of additional costs. The initial quote we provide is the final amount you'll pay, regardless of the scope of work required. 4. No hidden charges. We believe in honest business practices. That means no additional fees for extra hookups or the use of specialized cleaning brushes. 5. Guaranteed timeliness. We respect your schedule by not overbooking our services. This policy ensures that we dedicate the right amount of time to each job and maintain punctuality. Should any delays occur, such as those caused by traffic, we will communicate with you promptly to provide updates. Our new name, Quality Heating, reflects our broader range of HVAC services, but doesn't change our foundational approach to business: thorough work, fair pricing, and respect for our customers' time. Visit our HomeStars page to see the positive feedback from our clients. We look forward to serving you under our new name with the same dedication and quality you have come to expect.